Now, in today, let's continue with the perimeter. Perimeter and what? And the areas. The perimeters and the areas. Now, what is a perimeter? What is an area? Don't forget what we're talking about what? The shapes. The what? Shapes. Shapes is a triangle. A triangle. Ramali square assumingly. Ramali rectangle. I'll just take the three. Again? Good. Now perimeter, we're talking about the total length of a shape. Yakwala? Is that what? Total length of a shape. Now it means the shape, it must have the sizes, which are the length that can be calculated or that can be measured in centimeter, millimeter, meter, kilometers, so forth. Are we clear?
Yes.
Good. Now let's start with the triangle. Triangle, let's assume it's just any triangle without the specifics, or it's a right angle, or it's a isosceles, or a scalene, or what. But when I give it the values, let's assume multi 5, then multi 60, then multi 7. Then it's a triangle where no sides are equal. It's a scalene triangle. Then the question says, find the perimeter. Perimeter is symbolized by the letter P. Then perimeter is equal to the sizes of all the sides of a triangle. When we add them, they give us total. It's a perimeter. The first side is 5 plus. The second side is 6 plus. The third side is 7. Then when we add this one, this one is 12 plus 6 is 18. So it's 18. Are we clear? So it's not just 18. It's 18 what? Units. Because I didn't give you the 5 is meter or centimeter. So at the end you just write what? The unit. Are we clear?
Yes.
Good. Let's go to the square. The perimeter of a square, if one side is given is 8 centimeter. Are we clear?
Yes.
Then we will say we know that the square is a figure where all the sides are equal. Then we will have the perimeter of a square, which is equal to length number 1 plus length number 2 plus length number 3 plus length number 4. Or someone can say 4 multiplied by the length. Are we clear?
Yes.
And then which is what? Which is going to be 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. Or someone can say 4 multiplied by 8. Which will give us what? 32 centimeter. That's the perimeter of the square. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now if we go to find the perimeter of a rectangle and we figure out here is 8 meter and then here is 12 meter. The rectangle itself, we will say that the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by, not multiplication, length plus breadth plus breadth. Now, where is length? Length is the longest side. The longest side, remember, is a rectangle. Two opposite sides are equal. Two opposite sides are equal. So the pairs of two opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. So we will have the side of 8 meter and the other side here is 8 meter. It's one pair. The side of 12 meter and the other side of 12 meter is 2 pairs. Are we clear?
Yes.
Good. Then length are the longest one, which are the 12s. Then we will have one. We will have 12 plus 12 plus 8 plus 8. So the answer here is going to give us what? 40 of rectangle will give us 40 meter. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. Now, if it can be any shape of some sort, and then they are looking for perimeter, make sure that you have the sizes of that side. You follow this?
Yes.
It can be any polygon of the choice, like maybe it can be something like this. Yeah, so again,
Yes.
something like of this nature. Then more ki 3, more ki 4, more lo wane select more ki 3. Again. Then Mogi 4, Mogi 4, Mogi 3. Then which means the perimeter, how many sides are here? Side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of them. Again?
Yes.
How many of these 12s are 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of them are what? Are 3s. Again?
Yes.
How many of these are 4s? Obviously, the remaining 6 are of what? Are 4s. So you will get 24 plus 18. Again? 24 plus 18. Which will give us what? 40? 42. Are we clear?
Yes.
That's the parameter. You just add all the sides, their length of the sides, of the breadth of the side, or of the shape. Are we clear?
Yes.
Then you get the parameter. Sure. Yes. Now we're taking the areas from the parameters. We are taking the areas of the areas. I'm looking only on the 3 dimensions for now. But we will do more when we do the problems. Again?
Yes.
The first triangle now. What type of triangle is this one?
Right angle triangle.
It's a right angle triangle. Why are you saying it's a right angle
Because
triangle?
it has a 90 degrees.
It has one angle 90 degree. Again?
Yes.
Now if we have side 1, side 2, side 3, which of these sides is a hypotenuse?
That side.
We have side 1, side 2, and side 3. Which side is the longer side, which is the hypotenuse? The side number 3. Again? Good. How do we find it? Remember, we take a pencil or a pen and then we say from the 90-degree angle, we draw the straight line like this one with an arrow. Again? Automatically the side in which the arrow will be pointing, it will be the side which is called hypotenuse. Are we clear? If we want to keep this side the labels, we will have A, B, and C. So which means if the triangle is a right angle triangle, which theorem can we use? Theorem of Pythagoras. Very good. We will have theorem of Pythagoras stated like c to the power of 2, which is the longest side, is equal to a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2. Are we clear?
Yes.
Good. Now, how many sides are given the values here? Only 2 sides. Again?
Yes.
And then we must find the third side. How will we find the third side? We substitute them. Again? So we will have c squared is equal to 3 squared plus b squared. So 4 squared. Again? And then which will give us what? 9 plus 16, which is 25. Again? Then we will have 6 squared is equal to 25. We square both sides. C is equal to plus or minus 5. Therefore, c is equal to 5 since it's a side, we only take the positive way. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. Now, if it's any case, it's given like that one, and then let's find the area of the area. The what?
The area of the area.
The area of a triangle. Again?
Yes.
First of all, make sure that the triangle is a what? It's a right angle triangle. So that we can say the area is half of the base. Half of what?
The base.
Multiplied by the height. Now here, wherever is my 90 degrees on this triangle, right?
Yes.
It's on this side. So I will say the side in which is at the bottom, it become my base. It become what?
My base.
And the base you can go 4. And then the longest, and the other side from the 90 or from the base going up, it becomes what?
Height.
My height. Are we clear?
Yes.
So this one becomes the base and this one becomes what? The height. Then my area of the triangle will be 1 over 2 multiplied by the base, which is 4, multiplied by the height, which is what? 3. Then the area of this triangle, which will be what? Will be what? 6. Again?
Yes.
So if here it was measured in meters, then it's going to be 6 meters to the power of 2. Are we clear?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Good. Let's go to the square. The square, the area of the square, we are having square with 4-sided figure where we have one side 8 centimeter and all the sides are equal. So we will have the area of a square is equal to the length multiplied by the length. Are we clear?
Yes.
And what is the value of that length? The length is 8 centimeter. So we'll have 8 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter, which will give us what? 64 to the power, 64 centimeter to the power of 2. Is that clear?
Yes.
Then let's go to the area of the rectangle. The area of a rectangle, we will have what? The length times or multiply by the breadth. And we have the length as 12 meter, while the breadth is what?
8 meters.
Is 8 meter. So we will have what? We will have 8, sorry, we will have 12 multiplied by 8, which is equals to what? 12 times 8.
96.
96. 96 what? Donkeys.
96 meters.
Meter what? Meter Perez.
Meter square.
Meter square of the power 2. Remember, it's an area. Area and perimeter, they're different. The area is to the power 2, while the perimeter is just that number. And just that measurement itself. Are we clear?
Yes.
Good. Now we will give you more of them, but for now, let's do it in this way. Now, the next thing I want us to do is to do a circle. To do what?
A circle.
Circle. To do what?
Circle.
To do what?
A
A circle. Remember, a circle is also a shape, but it's a shape in which doesn't have any corner. Doesn't have what? Now, a circle, it has a center. It has a what? A center. And then this circle itself, more, of the circle. Repeat that again, circumference. Repeat that again.
Circumference.
Circumference. And again.
Circumference.
And then the area to calculate circumference is equal, sorry, the formula to calculate circumference is equal to 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r which is radius, again?
Yeah.
Or someone I got again, pi multiplied by diameter. Are we clear?
Yeah.
What is r, what is diameter? From the center, if I draw the straight line going to the circumference of the circle, and it's like this one, the line from the center of the circle to the circumference of a circle. The line is called the radius. It's called what?
The radius.
Just simple R or the radius. Are we clear?
Yes.
And then how can I find the diameter? Diameter called the same radius that is from the center. I draw it, extending it to the other circumference of the circle, which makes us the straight line from one point of a circle to the other point of a circle, passing through the center of the circle. Then this line itself, diameter. Diameter or just capital letter, so a small letter, D or capital letter D in some other sort. So the formula here, when we say is 2 pi r, it's more like saying 2 times r is diameter. Again?
Yes.
It's what?
Diameter.
Pi is what I'm calculating. Is there on a calculator which is representing 30,14, or someone can say 22/7. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. Now this circle, it has the circumference itself, again, and also the area or the area, or what? The area. The area which is equal to the area of a circle. Okay. The area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. Are we clear?
Yes.
So which means at first, if you are given the diameter you divide it by 2, it will give you the radius, which is r, again?
Yes.
And then on the area, you put it here, just the radius of the circle. Are we clear?
Yes.
Good. Done.